This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable the Always Ask Where to Save Each File dialog box in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. The Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box, by default, it's probably not enabled on your browser. I have mine enabled, and what that does, anytime I go to download something, I'm going to click on download here. The little dialog box opens up asking me where I want to save this file, and I can rename it. To enable that, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Downloads, and in the center pane, the very top thing, Location, that tells you what location that by default that your downloads will go to. I have mine set to my desktop. You can always change your default download destination by clicking on Change and choosing a different location. But the thing below it asks where to save each file before downloading. If you toggle this on, that dialog box will open up asking you if you want to rename the file or what particular place you want to save the file to. If you have it toggled off, then by default it'll automatically download to whatever destination is listed here. That is how to enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Each File dialog box in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.